Hi, it's Jen from Shabby Fabrics, back with a little garden house series, and this time it's for summer. We started off with our autumn project, we moved on to spring, and of course now it's time for our beautiful summer project. This is called Stateside. This is a motive fabric collection, and I thought it was the perfect choice for our summer project. Of course, the beautiful flag waving, and then the kite flying in the sky, really fun. Of course, prefused laser cut for all of that applique, and some fun patchwork up here with our checkerboard, and of course, sewing our backgrounds together. I love that combination of piecing and a lot of fun applique. Just like before, we're offering this on a reserve. You're able to just put a small deposit on that, and that goes toward the cost of your kit. And then when those are here, we bill you for the difference and head that your way. Just like the other ones, we're offering you a thread set as an optional add-on. Those are the 50 weight sulky cottons we use to stitch down all of our applique. And of course, you could certainly be using some of those to even piece the project together if you'd like. The other things we used are on the table with us. Of course, our light box, our Applifuse mat. We love being able to pre-assemble all of this and bring it onto the background as one piece. And back before all these things were created and I had initially designed Little Garden House series so many years ago now, I didn't have those tools. Trying to get the juxtaposition of the side of the house and the front and the windows and all of that, it took quite a bit, but it's so easy with these aids. It's just like peering through, kind of a lens, and it shows you where everything belongs easily, and then bringing that onto the background. Other things we used are on the table, as I said. Of course, Creative Grid, our ruler of choice, from the biggest ruler down to the smaller rulers, the 2.5 by 12.5. I'm just finding so many uses for that. I love that one. Always that sharp blade and the rotary cutter, a couple different size needles for you, both the super non-stick and the regular. Piecing, of course, is the regular super non-stick for the applique. The Richard Hemming for just a little bit of hand embroidery right here on the tail of the kite. We're including that embroidery floss in your kit. You don't need to run out and get that. Some fun embellishments on the door, both the heart here and the little doorknob, that will be included in your kit as well. Anything else you might need, marking tools, pins, the seam guide setter, and the seam guides to keep you true to that 1/4 inch, and anything else, of course, be sure to grab that when you reserve your spot. Hey, let a friend know about this series. Maybe they're not familiar yet, or maybe they don't even know about Shabby. It's fun to share good news. So thanks for giving me a few minutes of your day to show you the newest design in the Little Garden House series. I'll see you soon.